Good morning students. Today we are here with our worksheet number 35 from Directorate of Education, class 9, subject science, and today we here discuss about the second equation of motion. In the last worksheet student we discuss about the first equation and today we are here with our second equation. Let's do Jigyasa Di. What is the second equation of motion and how can we derive it by graphical method? So student, we use here the same graph which we use in the last worksheet, and I think you already know about the physical quantities. What are the physical quantities and their symbols? I think you are easy with that. U is our initial speed, and V is our final speed, final velocity. A is our acceleration here, T is for time period, S is for the distance. So students, if you resemble the symbol, so let's move with me to do the second equation of motion. Gyan asked from his Jigyasa Didi, how can we calculate the distance by graphical method? Jigyasa Didi reply, when any object moves in a straight line with a uniform acceleration, it covers a definite distance in a particular time, and that is calculated by our second equation of motion. So student, this is our second equation. It represents a relation between time and position. Let's move with me and solve it graphically. First we have to mention in the graph. Okay student, suppose our vehicle is here, it travels to A. It means it is its initial velocity, that is u, it is also u, and it travels time t. So it is time t and this is also time t. Student, this is the final velocity. Finally it reaches up to that and it is v and it is u. And this is our v minus u. V minus u means change in velocity, that is equal to acceleration. So there you see there are two shapes in that figure. First one is our triangle and second one is rectangle. So student, if we have to calculate the area of the complete figure, if we plus the area of triangle and rectangle, we get that. So let's move with that student. The area of rectangle plus area of triangle. What is the area of rectangle? L into B, length into breadth. What is the length? That is T. And what is the breadth? That is U. So length and breadth, that is U into T. And half area of triangle. What is the area of triangle student? Half into base into height. What is the base here? That is AD and height is V minus U. This is height, okay, and this is base. So formula we put the equation, that is ut plus half at square. Okay, this is the second equation of motion. Let's do one example of it. Second equation of motion. The brakes applied to a bus produce an acceleration of 6 meters per second in the opposite direction. Opposite direction means student, the acceleration is negative, that is 6 meters per second square. It takes 2 seconds to stop. What is the time taken for the stopping? That is 2 seconds. Calculate the distance. So we have to calculate the distance. So firstly we have to note here what are given in that question. You can underline that and note it. A is minus 6. Finally bus gets stopped. So V is equal to 0. Time is taken 2 seconds. We have to calculate U and S, initial velocity and distance. So student, for initial velocity we used here the first equation of motion. What is our first equation of motion? That is V equals to U plus AT. V is 0 here. A is minus 6. Time is 2 seconds. So our initial velocity is here 12 meters per second. Now we have to calculate the S. What is the formula of S here student? Ut plus में half AT square. We have U. We have the value of T, A. So we finally found the distance covered, that is 12 meters. Okay student, let's do exercise. Write the first and the second equation of motion. I think you are familiar with that, and It is given up to you already. These both are your first answer, first equation and second equation of motion. Derive the second equation from the graphical method. You have to draw that graph, student, and you have to write from here. This is your second answer. Now move on to our third question, student. We have to calculate a car accelerate by 1 meter per second square, that is its acceleration, 5 meter to 10 meter. It means 5 meter per second is speed initially, 10 is final speed, and time is given 5 seconds. So we have to calculate that. Let's do that. Okay. Formula is given up to you, student. Here S equals to U, initial speed 5, time is also 5, half, acceleration is 1, time is 5 square. So here we get 25 plus 25 by 2, that is equals to, student, 37.5 meter. So this is the answer of your third question. Okay, in third question we find the distance that is equal to 37.5 meter. I think this worksheet is clear up to you. How can we calculate the distance by the second equation of motion? If you like that worksheet, share among your friend circle. Subscribe our channel Learning Light to get more updates regarding science worksheet. Thank you.